Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, February 18th. Hope you're having a great weekend, or hope you had a great weekend, excuse me, and having a great morning so far. We do got a couple items here on the economic counter, and we'll start off with the Empire State Index. This is the manufacturing data out of the New York region. Anything above zero is considered expansion or optimism. So we had a little bit of that here in January at 4.8, and it exceeded that, jumping up much higher than we expected at 12.9. Now, this has been a pretty volatile area here of manufacturing where we see some contraction, but we'll see some expansion. And this is no different from what we've been seeing, where we'll get like a bit of a spike and then also kind of drop down quite a bit. So it'll be interesting to see how this plays out. But good news is we manufacturing increased a bit here in the New York region. Last but not least, we got the NHAB Home Builders Index. This is the confidence level for home builders, and this kind of gauges as to whether we should be, if they will be planning to be building more or get more, uh, the confidence level basically. If we're seeing more sales, stuff like that. And it did dip a little bit, as you can see here in January it was at 75, and it dipped down to 74. So not a huge thing, but things overall is still looking pretty good. We'll get more data on housing later this week, but this will give us kind of a little insight as to probably what new uh, new homes will be like for construction and permits and stuff. Let's jump ahead here to the headline news, and right now stocks are down. It's taking its cue really from this thing here. The coronavirus is really, it's not something that's going away. Apple and Walmart now are talking about how they're going to be missing earnings reports due to the coronavirus affecting their profits. Of course, China is the big manufacturing hub for most of the world, and this is affecting a lot of these companies like Walmart, Apple, and Walmart, and will be affecting other companies. But these are two companies large companies that kind of just brought it up, and then of course, the stock market is spooked by this. We knew this would probably happen, but uh, this is kind of more of a reminder, and stocks, of course, are being affected as a result. We hope they do get this under control here pretty soon. I think the death toll now is approaching 1,900 right now. We're just a little bit shy, like 1,800 and some, and well over 70,000 people being infected. So our thoughts and prayers are out to those folks that are being affected by this, and that them and their families. We're sorry for their losses, and we hope that they are able to get this under control here. Let's look ahead here, see how this is playing out in the bond market. Bond market's doing okay. We're up about 8 basis points right now. Not quite enough for a price improvement, but if this continues, we could see a price improvement, hopefully either today or maybe even by tomorrow. So again, this is news that doesn't seem to be going away, and if this continues, this could help boost prices. Money from the stock market is kind of flowing into a safe haven, which is the mortgage-backed securities and bonds, and helping us out. So right now, I would say mortgage rates remain unchanged from Friday's pricing, but it could change and help us a little bit here very quickly. Yields are now down to about 1.54 right now. It's dipped a bit. As you can see here, it kind of reached this level here where we've been for last week and stuff, the lows that we saw last week. Now, potentially, we could hit down here about 1.51 that we saw earlier in February. So let's watch and see if that continues or not. All right, so that's pretty much the wrap for the day. Mortgage rates remain unchanged. If you guys are in California, I'd love to hear from you guys. We have a lot of solutions we can help with loans and financing. So if you're looking to buy or refinance, please reach out, direct message me, or email is best. You can see my information here in the red. So depending on what social media platform you may be seeing, just go ahead and direct message me. I do respond. I do respond a little quicker, however, to email. So if you send me an email, I'll get that a little quicker and I will respond. But typically within 24 hours, I do respond to direct message. All right, folks, you have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.